In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find fulfillment in AI art creation using Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to your dashboard. This is where your creative journey begins with all your tools and projects in one place. Next, start by creating something that actually reflects your personal ideas, not just random prompts. Enter a concept that means something to you, like a memory, emotion, or visual story you want to express. After that, use Artistly AI style presets and editing tools to shape the artwork until it matches your original vision. Focus on refining rather than rushing the process, because improvement is part of the experience. As you generate and adjust your images, pay attention to what feels satisfying to create. Fulfillment comes from seeing your ideas evolve into something visual and meaningful. You can also revisit your past creations in the gallery to see how much your skills have improved over time, which helps build motivation and confidence. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.